This video will guide you through the process of replacing the oxygen sensors on a 2003 Ford F-150. The upstream oxygen sensors, O2S, are located after the exhaust manifold. Begin by removing the oxygen sensors. If the engine has been running, let it cool sufficiently before starting work to avoid burns from hot parts. The normal operating temperature of the exhaust system can cause serious burns. Never attempt to service any part of the system until it has cooled. Be especially careful when working around the three-way catalytic converter, as it rises to a high temperature after only a few minutes of engine operation. And always wear personal protective equipment, including rubber gloves and safety goggles, when working on a vehicle. Be sure the vehicle is on a level surface, with the engine off and the parking brake engaged. 1. Disconnect the negative battery cable from the battery. 2. Disconnect the upstream heated oxygen sensor electrical connector. 3. Use a lift to raise and support the vehicle to gain access to the sensors. 4. Use an exhaust gas oxygen sensor socket to remove the upstream heated oxygen sensor. 5. Disconnect the downstream heated oxygen sensor electrical connector. 6. Use an exhaust gas oxygen sensor socket to remove the downstream heated oxygen sensor. Finish by installing the new upstream and downstream heated oxygen sensors. Apply a light coat of high-temperature nickel anti-seize compound or equivalent meeting Ford specifications to the threads of the heated oxygen sensors. 1. Use an exhaust gas oxygen sensor socket to install the downstream oxygen sensor into the exhaust pipe. Tighten the sensor to 34 foot-pounds, and reconnect the downstream oxygen sensor electrical connector. 2. Lower the vehicle. 3. Use an exhaust gas oxygen sensor socket to install the upstream oxygen sensor. Tighten the sensor to 34 foot-pounds. Reconnect the upstream oxygen sensor electrical connector. 4. Reconnect the negative battery cable. This concludes the procedure for replacing the oxygen sensor on a 2003 Ford F-150. Thank you for watching.